Why people don't heal? I think that the biggest reason why people don't heal is that they don't have faith in healing. When I work with people and people come to me to heal difficult problems like cancer, severe depression, or any other medical problems, I ask them a question to everybody. I ask them this question: do you personally believe that you can heal yourself? And in most cases, they answer this way. They say, look, Arina, I hope that I can heal myself. But look at the conventional medicine, look at the conventional institutions, look at the media, look at the government, look at my family. They all believe that my illness is incurable. So what these people have? They have hope in one hand, but hope without power. And they have fear or doubt in another hand, and the doubt which has power. Which side do you think win? But side that has power always win. Unconsciously, we relate power to other people. But what about your own internal power? And your own internal power has authority when it comes to healing. It's actually much stronger. But when people say, I hope I can heal myself, but look at conventional medicine, look at conventional institutions, they have hope without power. And hope without power is not equal to fear with power. And this is the reason why people don't heal. They still can heal, but they need to change their energy dynamic. They need to give all the power, energy to hope and have faith in healing, and totally release all the fear or doubt. So hope becomes powerful and fear has no place in their consciousness. Then people start healing.